Hey guys, it's Sarah and Stella, and we're back with another pet sitting with Rover tip video for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get high quality photos of you with pets, even if you've never pet sit before. Why do you need them? Because when people click on your profile, they're not always going to read all of it. A picture speaks volume. So before they even read your profile, they're going to see your pictures to connect with you. So if you've never pet sit before, this is not a problem. You can still get photos of you with pets. How? I'm going to give you two ways. The first way is really amazing for you and for the animals. It's volunteering at your local animal shelter. So how to get started is just Google animal shelter, your town, give them a call and find out how you can get involved, whether you go there and walk dogs or feed cats or take pictures of them. Our local animal shelter in Asheville is called Brother Wolf. And when I volunteer there to walk the dogs and pet the cats, I make sure to always post pictures of the animals on Google Photos and try to help the dogs get adopted. So that's just a bonus thing you can do. You don't have to do that. But if you're there taking pictures, you might as well do that too. It results in social proof, pictures for your profile, and the dogs and cats get attention, which they need and they love anyway. The other way for you to get high quality photos of you with pets, even if you've never pet sit before, is to volunteer to hang out with your friend's pets in exchange for some photos. Or let's say your friend is going away, offer to feed her cat in exchange for a testimonial on Rover or some photos of you with the cat. Now, it doesn't have to be with the cat. It can be the cat lounging in the sun, doing cat stuff or whatever, but you want a variety of different photos on your Rover profile, and this is how you can get them. So guys, I hope you enjoyed these tips. Make sure you subscribe because I have more tips coming your way. I'm also the author of Master Pet Sitting with Rover, and I have a blog all about pet sitting, so if you want more, click below to read on. Thanks again.